It is about that time. Look what is waiting for us. What's up guys, Tori here with my HelloFresh, and I'm going to be trying HelloFresh meals for 4 weeks straight. So let's get into it. Hey, what's up guys, Tori here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking all things HelloFresh. Warning, do not continue watching this video if you are hungry, you haven't eaten, or you love Mexican food, because I've got some pictures for you that are sure to get your taste buds going and to get your appetite flowing. I decided to try HelloFresh for 4 weeks straight. Okay, so just a little context. I've tried meal boxes before. I've tried Home Chef, I've tried Blue Apron, I've tried HelloFresh and others, and my favorite has been HelloFresh. But I wanted to see, is it cost effective? Does it save me time to use it consistently? Because I would just order a box, enjoy it, and then never create the menu items again and just kind of sporadically use it. But I wanted to see what were the benefits of using it regularly. So that's what I set out to do. And so I ordered the box for 1 month straight, and guess what? It did save me money. The boxes were delicious. I found I was making fewer trips to the grocery store, and I actually recreated many of the dishes this time. I don't know what it is, maybe because we're kind of at home more now anyway. I just found that they were super useful. So a little background, I did the 3 meals for 2 people, which is right around $60. Now, if you're new to HelloFresh, you can refer someone. Someone can refer you and you can get your box for $40 off. Once you're a member, you can send free boxes to your friends just for using it. You can skip at any time. You can customize your plan. So you can do like a veggie plan, or you can do veggie and meat. You can do smart calorie, or you can do family. You can do for 2 or 4 people, and you can do up to 5 meals. Now within each box, you can also do some special add-ons. So you're adding on like your main dinner entrees, but you can add on sides, breakfast, smoothies, desserts. They've really expanded it so that it's not just those meals. The 2 portion sizes are definitely good. If you want to have some leftovers as a couple, I would suggest that you do the 4 meals, okay? Free shipping. They ship weekly. It's very easy to navigate the app. You just look at the calendar. If you don't like any of the meals that are suggested for the week, you can skip it. You can skip pretty far in advance so that you don't have to worry about forgetting it and getting charged. And the customer service is great. So the meals are delicious, easy to recreate. They're filling. The ingredients are fresh. I've never gotten any produce where I didn't want to use it or it looked bad. They package it very well. They have all these ice packs. It comes straight to your door, nice and fresh. So for us, HelloFresh was great. My husband being a vegan diet, it also worked well because I do the veggie plan. Some of the meals are meatless and some come with the plant-based substitutes. So even if I want to use meat for my meal, I can still use the meatless substitute for him, and it has saved us a lot of time. So I would highly recommend HelloFresh if you're looking to decide between all of these subscription meal boxes out there. There's so many nowadays, but HelloFresh is definitely my number one. I want to share some of the meals and recipes that I prepared with the box. And I'm also going to share my referral link below. If you've never used it, feel free to get a discounted box. And let me know in the comments which meal plan is your favorite and why. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.